If you're new to Agile, you'd be forgiven for thinking that you've entered some strange parallel dimension. There's a whole new vocabulary, and the way things are done, well, it's just plain weird. If you've had training, then you're one of the lucky ones. But most of us, myself included, are just thrown into the deep end. In 2012, I walked into the offices of BBC Worldwide and joined a team that was doing Agile. And it was quite a shock to the system. As a small cog in the machine, I'm just a humble developer, I couldn't see the big picture. It took me months, years, to start to piece things together. As the mist began to clear for me, I began posting videos on YouTube. And then something else became clear, that my experience was not unique. Far from it. People told me that after watching my videos, they finally got it. It finally clicked. And some of those people had already had some Agile training. Obviously, I'm delighted that my videos have been able to help in some small way, but I wanted to do more. So I created a course, a crash course, the Scrum versus Kanban crash course. If you're a qualified Scrum Master or Agile coach, if you have a breadth of experience in an Agile environment, then this course probably isn't for you. But if you're new to Scrum or new to Kanban, and especially if you're new to Agile, then this course will get you up to speed in the shortest possible time. Let me give you a quick peek inside. In lesson 1, we'll look at how Scrum and Kanban fit into Agile. Then in lessons 2 and 3, I'll take you step by step through Scrum, then step by step through Kanban. And then there's lesson 4, where I talk about food preparation in a restaurant. That'll make sense when you're inside the course. And then finally in lesson 5, we'll take Scrum and Kanban and line them up side by side so we can take a look at them to highlight their differences and also their similarities. By the end of the course, you'll be able to identify Scrum and Kanban in the wild, but perhaps more importantly, you'll have a much better feel for why we do what we do in Scrum and why we do what we do in Kanban. Here's what some people have had to say about the course. I was delighted to receive this one because it's exactly what the course was designed to do, to be crystal clear and to get the job done in the shortest possible time. Let's do some frequently asked questions. Is the course self-paced? Yes, indeed it is. If you'd like to binge watch the entire thing, you are free to do so. If you would rather take your time, then my fancy course platform will keep your place so you can pick up where you left off. How much does it cost?
$1 million.
No, not quite $1 million. $97 precisely. Is there a guarantee? Yes, there is, and it's as simple as they come. A 100% money-back guarantee. No questions asked. So there it is, the Scrum versus Kanban crash course. Everything I wish I'd known 8 or so years ago when I joined the team that was doing Agile. I'm excited for you to experience the course, so I hope you'll dive in. Somewhere below this video, you'll find a big button. Click the button, follow the instructions, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Cheers for now.